How to make the selective pan transition. Today's video is sponsored by my countless friends. Drag your clips into the timeline, and cut 8 frames from the end of your first clip, and 8 frames from the beginning of the second one. Select both of the clips, duplicate them, and bring that duplicates on top of your clips. Bring a fusion pan left transition between your clips, and drag the transition duration to cover the entire length of those two. With the transition selected, check the motion blur box, and increase the quality slider. Select those two clips with the transition, right-click and open it in the Fusion page. Select your first clip, add a 3D keyer node and drag it to the left viewer, and drag a rough shape in the area that you want to exclude. Select your second clip, add another 3D keyer, drag it to the left viewer, and draw again another rough shape in the part that you want to exclude. If you want, you can open the Matte Finesse menu, and increase the blur radius slider for both of the keyers. Go back to the Edit page, and play around with the motion blur of the transition to find out what works best for you. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I don't care, I have all of my friends around me.